Hello everyone, John Flanagan here with Now Marketing Group. Today we're talking about blogs. Just when you thought you got the idea of content writing down, you're probably faced with a tough question. How much content do I really need to write? The internet has gone back and forth on how much content is enough, and there are a lot of opinions out there. So some people favor short and sweet blogs, others want you to create longer pieces of content. So how much do you actually need? Well, the answer, drum roll, is it all depends. I know that's probably not what you were wanting to hear, but let me tell you why. Long-form content usually consists of well-researched content. It's in-depth and data-backed. If you need 3,000 words to write a fully fleshed out idea on a topic, then by all means, please write a long-form piece of educational information. One of the best benefits of writing longer content is that Google wants your webpage to have that rich content. And when you have an in-depth and well-researched article, Google rewards you by ranking you higher. Google believes that longer form content is more relevant because it's more detailed. So that's what Google is looking for your content to be. But don't think that it's only the word count that matters. Google is also looking for quality, so make sure you do the research and write well. Once you are able to write in-depth content, you'll be recognized as an authority on the subject of your industry, providing value to your readers and making it more likely that they'll stay on your website. Long-form content is also better to gain that traffic we all want and make it more likely that they'll leave comments, and additionally, it's better at keeping people on your page longer. So they're going to generate some discussion and you'll have some people talking. That's what you really want. One tip is to test out various lengths and see what works best for your website, or in other words, what content is being found and actually read by your audience. Shorter content, generally 500 to 700 words, is of course less in-depth. Instead of multiple sources or data points, there's usually only one, and this can work well if that's what your audience is looking for. It's content that is easily shared, easily read, and a plus for you is easy to write and lets you keep a consistent schedule of blogs as long as you can fully explain your points. You'll be okay. So again, while there is not one clear answer, it really does depend on you, your industry, and your audience. Try those different blog lengths, and your audience will tell you what kind of content they want, because they'll be sharing it, they'll be reading it, and they'll be interacting with it. So try those out and let us know in the comments if you have any questions or comments, or what that process looked like for you. Somebody else might be looking through the comments who's going through the same thing, and you might be able to help them out. We'd love to hear from you.